Mike Comtech here. Just wanted to give another sneak preview. I took some pictures of a preliminary take apart. Believe me, there's going to be a lot more coming on this. This is one amazing product. I love this thing. Of course, that's the ticket side, and we've got shots of the lights because I want to see if we can modify those. And here's a shot of the ticket motor on the bottom right housing. You have the animatronic Zoltar in the upper picture there with looks like 2 inductors and a capacitor for noise reduction. These are brush motors in here. And then you've got the wiring for the coin detection. You've got the wiring for the infrared sensor, and you have the 2 white wires there for the free play button on the side of your Zoltar. There's another shot of the ticket motor on the right, and then back in there where the coin sensor is that senses when you put a coin in there. And then we got the main PCB board with the battery, and then the another shot of the lights because I wanted to see how the lenses were put on there, how they're put together. But like I said, these are just static pictures. We're going to get into more of this about how this thing actually functions, what we can take down, what I can take apart, modify, put in something different. This is the back plane of Zoltar there. There's a lot of potential that can be done there. And then we got another shot of the bottom part of the ticket motor, and then the coin chute that where your little coin box slides into there. That's the collection for that. That's the chute that it shoots into that coin box. It's pretty sharp. This whole thing is really, really neat. The design on this thing is something else. New Wave Toys has again hit it out of the park here. And then here you got a shot at the more of the shot of a speaker on the back panel there, and then the main PCB board at the bottom. So anyway, there's more to come, guys. I will talk with you all later. Thank you for watching.